I then told him, listen, I'll take over from now. Because he was playing so phenomenally well, I just didn't want that to have an impact on his play.
My focus bietjie van die skop af haal en amper half al my focus in my general game in stoot waar ek goeie goed te doen.
By Visa to Toy. Penalty advantage here for the Springboks.
Ek het net space gesien want toe het aangekom en my 15de jaar. Jasper se hand op lig en hy obviously val vir 'n pas. Toe sê ek vir my moet bof my agter speel.
Goes for Arisa!
Netmore, back to Lutfer Sabana! Cut! Lead Arisa!
Cut! Lead Arisa! Just brilliant!
South Africa play the expansive rugby you've come to see.
And look at that lovely kick. What skill! That's brilliant!
Wasn't even looking.
I was net 'n ding in die moment om so te gaan en my mouse uit te kry so. Ja.
And how about it for Libbok? Look at that for a nudge!
It's gutsy, open at the World Cup.
Magic. It felt like I was in a movie. It felt like playing PlayStation with your mates.
World class.